Hey guys, I've been gone for a little while, but I'm back with a cool video today. Today I'm going to do a video about the comparison of two sublimation transfer papers. One from TexPrint and the other one is ASub. And I wanted to do this quick video just to give you guys a better look on what each paper does. I'm going to be using 100% polyester, just material. I'm not doing it on a t-shirt or anything like that. Just 100% polyester material. Right now I am waiting for this print. I printed both the same exact way. When this one finished, I'll show you a side-by-side comparison of what they both look like before press. As a note, the ink on the paper always looks lighter, and when you press it, once you press it, then you will see the colors pop on your fabric. So right now you can see how this color looks, but once pressed, it's going to look completely different. And I'm going to show you guys the entire process. So if you're interested in seeing the ASub versus TexPrint comparison, stay tuned. Okay, I have my heat press warming up to 389. Which for me, 389 registers at 400. Let me go ahead and show you that. So here is my heat press, and I have my gun. This is a Therm Pro. I want to say I purchased this from Amazon. So it's going to give me a reading. And that says 357, but I'm at 354. So this is why I set my heat press a little bit lower, because my heat press actually gets hotter than what it is digitally reading. So this is my material, my 100% polyester. I'm going to print on, well, not print, I'm going to press on this. I have butcher paper covering my bottom part because I messed up my plate, my cover. I've been searching for another cover. If anybody knows where I can get a cover that they're not going to charge me an arm and a leg for my bottom plate, I would appreciate that information. I've been Googling and searching and looking around, and they have been trying to hammer me with the prices. I'm sorry about the background noise. My printer is filling up on ink. Let's give it a moment. Okay, I guess it just wanted some attention. Anyway, so I do have my butcher paper underneath so that it doesn't bleed through to my other butcher paper, because I'm going to keep that butcher paper on so that I don't really need this at the bottom. I don't know why. See, it's actually stuck. Let me show you guys what I mean by messing up my thing. Okay, this is what I use for sublimation. So this bled through onto this, so of course this is not useful anymore, but I had this covering my, look at this, I had this covering my bottom plate, because I did see where they had covers like this for the bottom plate. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to use this. It gets stuck to it anyway, so I'll use this as my bottom plate for now. And then I went ahead and messed it up. So let me just flip that over now. Well, I really don't want to flip it, honestly, because I don't want this to get onto my black part. So anyway, I have this on here to cover my bottom plate, and then I have my butcher paper to cover that. And yeah, I'm just a mess right now. So anyway, that's why you see all of this stuff going on. It's not necessary. It's just what I have to do. So the necessary part is putting butcher paper underneath your material so that it doesn't bleed through. You saw that it bleeds through. So necessary to put the butcher paper under your material where you're going to press your design. Okay, and then you put your design on top of the material, and then you put butcher paper on top of that. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a comparison now of what both papers look printed prior to pressing. Okay, so here is the paper side by side. This one is ASub. This one is TexPrint XPHR. Okay. Honestly, I really don't see much of a difference as I'm looking at it. I don't know. Do you? I don't. I don't see much of a difference. Let's get a close up. TexPrint and ASub. So I really don't see much of a difference right now. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like prior to pressing. Okay, so now we're going to get to the press and see what it looks like. Okay, I have everything ready, set, go. My design is underneath. This is ASub first, and I have my butcher paper on top. My heat press is almost ready to go. It has about 10 more degrees to reach before I go ahead and press. I'll let that go ahead and reach up to the 389, which is actually the 400 in my case. And then I will press for 60 seconds and show you guys the end result of the ASub first, and then we will go straight into the TexPrint next. Okay, so now we are ready to press. I'm going to go ahead and lower my heat press and let it press for 60 seconds, and then we'll come back to reveal what it looks like. All right, all done. Here we go. Let's take a look and see what ASub has done. Right away, you can see that it bled through. And let's reveal the end results. Okay, so look how nice and vibrant that is. Now, mind you, the colors in the background are reduced to, I want to say 70%, to give the forefront, the words, a chance to pop better. So that's why the back may look a little light, is because it is actually supposed to be that way. It is reduced to 70% opacity so that you can read the words that are on top of it. ASub took a lot of the color away. This is the end results of the print. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do TexPrint, and then we're going to compare the two. And last but not least, we have TexPrint. And that bled through pretty good too. And let's reveal TexPrint now. And again, the colors in the back are supposed to be lighter because it is reduced to 70% opacity so that the words in the front can pop out. Okay, so now we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of the two. And here is the side-by-side comparison of the two. On the right is TexPrint, on the left is ASub. Can you see a difference? I surely can't. They both look really good to me. Both came out exactly as I expected them to. Let's look at the pinks, the greens, the blues, I don't know, guys. I think you'll be safe with either one of these papers, to be honest. If you want my honest review, I'll take either one. Why do I have both? Well, my ASub is 8 by 11 and my TexPrint is 13 by 19. And I just heard so much great stuff about TexPrint and how much of a difference it makes, but I honestly don't see any difference. They're both great. So, it's not like one is bad and one is good. To me, they're both great. So, in my opinion, it just depends on which one you can find cheaper, I guess. ASub or TexPrint. All right. Feel free if you have any experience with testing out sublimation papers, go ahead and leave comments about it. If you want to see me test another paper, go ahead and comment that. I did order some more paper that I have coming, and I will definitely do a video on that because they boast that there is no other paper like this paper. So I will be doing a video on that, comparing the 2 or 3 or 4, however many papers I have at that time. And if you want to see that one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss the upload of that video. For now, thank you guys so much for watching, and you feel free to ask any questions that you want in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Take care. Be safe.